Local health leaders sounding the alarm as our COVID metrics continue to trend in the wrong direction. Here's a look at the latest numbers in North Carolina. As you can see today, marking the third straight day of around 1,000 new cases, and the spike coming alongside an increase in the percentage of tests coming back positive each day. The positive test rate now averaging 3.7%, and it has been creeping up all week. Hospitalizations also going up. 536 people in the state are in the hospital with COVID. That's up more than 40 people just in one day.
The Mecklenburg County health director says the Delta variant is officially the dominant strain of COVID here, which is causing this spike in cases. At this point, the large majority of people testing positive for COVID have not been vaccinated.
Here to talk more about this, WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner joining us live. So, Chloe, officials are concerned that we could be undoing some of the progress that we've just made over these recent months.
Yeah, guys, well, we suspected it, but Delta is officially here. A few weeks ago, Health Director Gibby Harris told me she would be shocked if an outbreak at the Salvation Army shelter wasn't linked to Delta. But the genomic sequencing needed to confirm that takes a bit of time. So today they officially found that a lot of those cases were Delta. So now it is spreading in our community, and they are asking people to protect themselves. As COVID cases and hospitalizations rise in Mecklenburg County, the more contagious Delta variant is likely to blame.
We're seeing across the country, as well as other parts of the world, that the Delta variant is a challenging one for us to deal with.
Around 30 adults and children living at the Salvation Army shelter tested positive, and genomic sequencing results show some cases are Delta.
We sent the first initial 8 cases for sequencing. Of those, we were able to definitively confirm that 5 of those 8 were the Delta variant.
Genomic sequencing is a limited resource. The county set up a new lab with UNC Charlotte and StarMed, and based on the initial results, 62% of positive COVID cases are Delta.
As we're seeing more spread in our community and more rapid spread in our community, I think we have to make the assumption that we've got that the Delta variant is pretty prevalent here.
As vaccination rates continue to drop off, most of the new positive cases are in people who have not gotten the shots.
We can't say it enough. The answer is vaccinations.
So same goes for hospitalizations. The overwhelming majority of people ending up in the hospital with COVID have not been vaccinated yet. So a reminder, you can walk into the 2 health department locations any day of the week to get a shot. They'll even bring it to your house if you want. You just have to call or go online to set that up with the county. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.